Hi, I'm Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars. Here we are at the end of 2018. I hope everybody's enjoying the holiday season. This is one of the busiest times of the year here at O'Brien Guitars. First of all, I start with a deep clean throughout the whole shop. The shop vac, all the dust collectors get emptied, new filters installed, all of the sanders get new belts, blades on the bandsaw, table saw. The humidifiers get cleaned. Got my humidifier over here in the corner. I also showed them how to do that this year, how to build your own humidifier. That's what I'm using in my shop. And I have cleaned that out with bleach. If you need to change any filters, you have any filters in your shop as far as humidifiers, change them. Make sure you've got everything clean and ready to go. I've sharpened all the chisels, all of the tools, put a fresh coat of oil on all of the benches. I mean, it's just been a very, very busy time of year. I'm getting ready to ring in the new year here, 2019, and there's some great opportunities coming up in 2019 as far as studying. All of my private classes are full, so if you want to get on the list of a private class, contact me for anybody that cancels or get on my 2020 list. As far as the master classes, there's still some spaces available in my steel string and my classical voicing class. It's a 2-day master class where you come in and we build a top together. You take it home, put it on your own guitar. Also, my 2-day French polish class. We bring your instrument and we French polish it together. There's still a couple of spots in there. Trevor Gore from Australia is coming back. We're doing his modal tuning master class. It's a 3-day class where you will never look at the guitar the same way again. So if you want to get involved with that, give me a call. Also, we have some video courses coming up. We have a brand new advanced ukulele building course that I'm in the process of editing now. It's with Jay Litke out of North Carolina. Also, we have perfect net set. Let me say that again. We also have a perfect neck set video coming up with Jeff Jewett. Also, Paco Chorobo from Spain is coming back for his 8-day build a traditional flamenco guitar with Paco Chorobo class. It's going to be a fantastic year. I'm really looking forward to it. Make sure all your fire extinguishers are charged. Sweep out all the dust, get it out, get ready for the new year. Enjoy the rest of this year. We'll see you in 2019. And happy building.